Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got A. England Spirit of the Moors in MXM024. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Spirit excuse me, of the Moors by A. England. Excuse me again. These polishes, I have never ever been let down by an A. England polish. Their formulas are superb. Just out of this world excellent. They're easy to use, they dry fast, they're beautiful. I just can't say enough. They're amazing. So I'm going to cap my free edge here. Ta-da! And then we're going to go in with the second coat. Oh, it's just beautiful. Gorgeous blue. Really, really love this. Look at that, no cleanup. I am going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat to get it to dry down. Got some stamping to do today. There we go. Hi Woody, how you doing? And there's a photo of it on its own. I'm going to be using my Conad stamper and my beauty scraper, and this is So Metal by Maniology. It's another new favorite, you know, stamping polish. New to me. And this is MXM024. This came in a Mani and Me box. And I decided, even though it's more of a Valentine's Day stamping plate, I'm going to use it anyway because I'm going after images that aren't technically Valentine's. And, you know, like I've said before, love is love. You can do those kind of manicures anytime. So I'm going to use this kind of bigger image. It's a floral image. I'm going to use that on my thumb and my ring fingernail. Let me get that turned around. There we go. And then I decided I wanted to use some of the butterflies. If you've been around for a minute, you know I love me some butterflies. Just can't get enough. I'm going to put these kind of like in the corners, going in different directions, just to, you know, have something on the nails, but not cover up all that beautiful Spirit of the Moors. Still want to be able to see that and enjoy it. Sorry, I'm out of frame. There we go, a little bit. And then one more. It's a really cute plate though. I love all the little images. Just, you know, Valentine's snuck up on me and I didn't get to do any of the manicures I had floating around in my head with this one. Like I said, you might see them anyway because I might just do them because that's how I do. I'm a crazy girl. Do whatever I feel like doing. There we go. So I'm going to clean my plate off with some pure acetone and a cotton ball. I'm going to get some more going here. I think I just decided to do that on my thumb. See, when you do voiceovers, you realize after the fact you're like, oh yes, that's right, that's what I did. Here we go. Yep. Gonna get that on my thumb. And now I'm gonna do a final cleanup, and I'll wipe it with a paper towel, and that just takes away the smeary look from the cleaning. There we go. I'm gonna top it with a smudge-free top coat today. And then I'm going to top it with some Poshe once that is totally dry. So I really enjoyed this one. You know, wasn't nothing fancy or anything, but it was still a very pretty manicure. And I enjoyed wearing it. I love that base color. It's so cool. And there we go, capping that free edge. Here is my manicure in motion, and I hope you enjoyed it. I've got a swatch photo coming up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.